Preparing for your workshop, Parentage. We are Self-Help Services and the Family Law Facilitator's Office at the Orange County Superior Court. Thank you for signing up for our Parentage online workshop. We hope that this video will help you successfully participate in the upcoming workshop. This video will go over some basic terms that will help you complete the workshop homework that you receive with the link to this video. You can pause, rewind, and watch this video at your own pace as you work on your packet. Keep in mind that you will have to make some choices about your situation as you complete the workshop homework and throughout your family law case. We can explain the rules and procedures in your case, but we cannot make any decisions for you. This workshop is for unmarried parents who have a child living in Orange County. By starting a parentage case, you are asking the court to decide or confirm who a child's parents are. You can also ask the court for orders about custody, visitation, and child support, or to change a child's name. At the end of a parentage case, there will be a final decision, called a judgment, that tells you who the legal parents of a child are. The legal parents of a child have the right to child support, inheritance, Social Security benefits, or other government benefits on behalf of the child. It is also useful in getting a passport for your child. To complete your workshop homework, you will need to make certain decisions regarding your children. You will need to decide who will care for your children, where they will live, and when they will see each parent. Now let's learn some terms that you will need to understand to fill out your workshop homework. Child custody has to do with the rights and responsibilities of parents on taking care of their children. Sometimes parents can agree to a plan. Other times, they cannot agree and the court will decide the plan based on the best interest of the children. Until you have a court order, both parents have the same rights and can make decisions about their children. There are two types of custody that will come up in your case, and you will need to make your choices for each type. First, legal custody is about the right to make important decisions for your child regarding their health, education, and well-being. For example, a parent with legal custody will decide where a child goes to school, what doctor or dentist they see, and the religion in which they will be brought up. Sole legal custody means that one parent gets to make major decisions on these issues, and if there is a disagreement between the parents, the parent with sole legal custody has the final say. Joint legal custody means that the parents make these big decisions together and share these responsibilities. Second, physical custody refers to who your child lives with most of the time. Sole or primary physical custody means that the child lives with one parent most of the time. Joint physical custody means that the child spends a similar amount of time with each parent. Visitation, or parenting time, is the plan for how parents will share time with their child. A parent who does not have physical custody will usually have visitation rights. The visitation plan will depend on your family's situation and the best interests of your child. Most of the time, it is helpful for parents and the child to have a set schedule with the dates and times that the child will be with each parent. There are four main options for your visitation request. 1. Reasonable visitation means you aren't asking the court for an order with a set schedule, and the visitation will be determined between the parties on your own in a reasonable manner. Usually, this can work if the parties are on good terms. 2. No visitation, which means you want an order saying that the person who doesn't have physical custody doesn't get any visitation time with the children. 3. Mediation, which means you are requesting to work with court mediators to come up with a plan. Lastly, you can request a set schedule for visitation. This means you will list the specific schedule in the forms you file. Child support. Although you do not have to complete any questions regarding child support in your workshop homework, we want you to understand a couple of things about child support since it will be addressed in your case. As a basic rule, both parents must financially support their children. Child support is the amount of money that the court orders a parent or both parents to pay every month to help pay for the child's living expenses. Usually, child support is paid to the parent primarily caring for the child, but there are exceptions. The court will usually order support based on a set formula, also referred to as a guideline amount. The guideline calculation will look at how much each parent makes, how they file taxes, how much time they spent with the children, and other factors. If you want the court to order the other party to pay child support, you can either request it in your parentage case, or you can open a case with the local Department of Child Support Services. In Orange County, the local agency is called Orange County Child Support Services. If you open a child support case with a local department, they will help you file the necessary documents to get the case started. And if you are granted a child support order, they will collect the money for you. We will provide more information about the Department of Child Support Services during the workshop. We hope that you found the information in this video helpful. You are now ready to fill out your workshop homework. Next steps. Please make sure to complete the workshop homework and submit it to our team. If you get stuck while working on the packet, please contact us. You can reach our staff by submitting an online request form at tinyurl.com/OCSelfhelp or by visiting www.occourts.org and clicking on the Self-Help tab. When submitting your form, you'll be asked, what kind of case do you need assistance with? Case type. Please choose the first option, which says, Child Support Cases Involving the Department of Child Support Services. You can also reach us by phone at 657-622-5077. Thank you.